Hey, you want to do it in style? This is a Roma Sovereign with independent suspension, Alco electronic stability control, battery and solar. It's all sorted for you, including dual axle and independent suspension. How good's that? Come inside and let me show you more. How good's this? It's a Roma Sovereign, and if you're touring, you want to do it in comfort, you can do it in comfort, because over here, your bedroom, that's a lift up bed. So you've got a host of storage under there. Plus you've got mirrors on the wardrobe doors, lovely big windows, and then the TV swings around. So I can just sit here, watch the TV, go to bed, swing the TV around, watch the TV there. Great kitchen area, lots of cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets. Cabinets up top, cabinets below, microwave oven, and the table here is fabulous, but it's when you get to the bathroom that you're going to be really impressed. Look in here, this is a real surprise packet because it's so spacious. It's a spacious bathroom, but you've got storage up here, you've got a washing machine in here, so good, already fitted, toilet already done, and then all of this storage under here, big vanity, lots of storage again, lots of lighting, exhaust fan, and a terrific stand-up shower with lighting, with exhaust fan, all done. How good is that? Give us a call.